What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So, I've been asked to do a review on several credit repair companies and to also explain why I feel like my services are much better than any other option out there. So, the first one, and I'm going to make it real quick. I'm just going to go over, the pricing if it shows the price and what they actually offer versus what I offer. I'll save my stuff for the end of the video. The first one, we're going to start out with the biggest credit repair company in the United States, Lexington Law. So it looks like they have four different plans to choose from. They have Lexington Essentials, Concord Standard, Concord Premier, and Premier Plus. Now, the cheapest package, they're only disputing four items at a time. So keep in mind, if you have 50 items, that's almost 13 months if they get deletions every single round. And then, so their top package, the Premier Plus, is only 8 disputes per round. That's only 8 items. So their cheapest package is $59.95 a month. But again, they're only disputing 2 items at a time. Their top package is $139.95 a month. But again, only up to 8 items. So you're not getting a lot of value there. You're really not. Now, one thing I'll say about probably all of these companies I'm going to talk about, they're probably going to have great customer support, meaning there's probably somebody you can always reach. You can talk to somebody. It's probably going to be somebody that's not very knowledgeable about fixing credit. But if you're worried about signing up with somebody that's always going to be there and answer your phone call every time you call, these probably are the companies for you. If you're more worried about getting great results, then obviously I'm going to always feel like my company is the one you want to go with. The second one is Ovation. It's a Lending Tree company, I believe. And let me see if they offer pricing. So they only charge $89 to start and $79 a month. They don't say whether they do unlimited disputes or not. I'm going to assume that they do not because, again, there's really no information on here about it. Um, and you guys can go back and check the pricing if you want. Now, they do have a $79 a month plan as well. Is it 109? It doesn't say. Well, let me see. It may say. No, it doesn't say. Yeah, and I don't see pricing anywhere. But again, you guys can look these sites up yourself if you want to. The credit people, they have two plans. One is a standard monthly, $79 a month, and it does say unlimited challenges on all three bureaus. So again, I'm not sure how true that is, but they also offer a flat rate plan that is only, sorry y'all, switching hands with my mic, $419 flat rate, which is a one-time fee. As you all know, one-time fees are illegal, but again, people are still doing them, even the bigger companies. Let's see. The next one is Credit Saint. Now, with theirs, it's kind of like Lexington Law, depending on which uh, plan you go with. Depends on whether you get unlimited challenges or not. You have to sign up for the premium in order for them to challenge every item on your report. If you sign up for the other two, then they're only going to dispute or challenge a couple items at a time. Just trying to see if there's any more information on here. And then I saved the best for last. This is Mr. PC himself. Now, he has two options. One is a $299 enrollment fee and $99 a month. 120-day money satisfaction guarantee or your money back. And then he has a one-time fee, which again is illegal, but trust me when I say there are tons and tons of people out here doing one-time fees. Um, it says from 1,000 to 3,000 on the website, but I think we've all heard him say people are paying him $5,000 and $10,000 because he is the god. So my question is, where's all the results at with any of these companies? Now, I'm not going to sit here and say these companies, they don't work at all. They're not going to get you absolutely any results. An amateur can get somebody results. I mean, you can send somebody that doesn't know very much about credit repair, um, and if they send enough letters in, they'll eventually get something removed. But the thing with these companies, they're just sending the most standard, basic template letter that you can send. Obviously, other than PC, he's just doing credit sweeps. We know that he uses a VA that is, as far as I know, she only does credit sweeps and she's really good at them. So that's how you're going to get really fast results with that one. But the stuff is going to come back on your credit report. Now, my services, I'm sure these other companies feel just as confident as I do, but I can assure you they're not doing all the stuff that my company's doing. So ours range anywhere from $99 a month to $249 a month. Now, you're going to get a 6-month money back guarantee or a 90-day money back guarantee with the plans that I offer. If you sign up for the 90-day, we're going to fax, mail, and upload. We're going to do CFPB complaints. We're going to do BBB complaints. And I know so many people say those things don't work. And the reason they don't work is because how you're wording what you're sending them, and you don't have enough documentation to send them. So a lot of companies that do CFPB complaints, they're just going straight to the CFPB from the get-go. You need to send a couple rounds in first. That way you can show the CFPB that the credit bureaus aren't doing their job, because that's what they're there for, to make sure that they do their job. It doesn't always mean that they do make sure they do their job, but that's one of the reasons they are there. Another thing these companies aren't doing is when they send in these disputes on the follow-up rounds, they're not actually looking at the report to see if the bureaus put that the item was in dispute, because that's a big no-no too that the credit bureaus do a lot of the times. So I'm going to try to wrap this video up. It's already 8 minutes and 30 seconds, but if you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment. Again, I'm one of the only companies that fax, mail, upload, and do CFPB complaints and BBB complaints. Y'all see behind me, this is my work area. This is where everything, the letters get stuffed and ready to go to the post office. So, yeah, if you're interested in signing up for my services or have any questions, you can send me a text message or an email. I'll leave all that information in the description of the video, as well as the link to my website to sign up and a link to my Facebook group. I hope y'all have a great weekend.